Every year, thousands embark on the journey to the United States, seeking better opportunities and a brighter future. However, the path one chooses, legal or illegal, can significantly impact not only their own lives, but also the broader community. Welcome back to Law Unpacked. I'm your host, Attorney Sean. Today, we'll explore the inherent dangers of illegal immigration, the benefits of following legal channels, and provide guidance on lawful entry into the U.S. This is an incredibly complex issue that's changing every day. My goal here is not to take sides, but rather to educate and inform. Whether you are an immigrant yourself, know someone who's trying to immigrate, or simply want to understand the reality of immigration law, this episode is for you. Immigrating to a new country is never easy, and choosing to enter the U.S. illegally comes with significant risks. Many rely on human smugglers or coyotes to facilitate their journey. These individuals often operate within criminal networks, prioritizing profit over human safety. Migrants can face extortion, abandonment, or even death during transit.
The registration's also expired. How's it going, partner? With the highway patrol. Come on back to the back of the truck. I'll show you what the reason for the stop was, okay? Going to Del Rio, pick it up. So you're empty right now?
Yeah,
okay, all right. So you don't have, this is a big drug traffic corridor, human smuggling and all that. You don't have none of that stuff in there, do you?
I've never been down there.
Oh, first time?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's why I don't know if you see all the border patrol and all the highway patrol all up and down the road. You don't have none of that stuff in here, do you? All right. Would you consent to just opening it up and showing us what's back there?
Sure.
Oh man, no good.
Yeah. There we go. Get a good one.
You're good at any time. You understand your rights?
Yes, sir.
All right, outstanding.
Reports show that thousands of people die each year attempting to cross the border illegally. Just in 2023, over 800 deaths were reported in the desert areas between Mexico and the United States, most of them due to extreme heat and lack of water. Smuggling networks also engage in human trafficking. Some people are promised safe passage only to be forced into modern-day slavery or coerced into working off debts they owe to smugglers. The risks are extreme, and once someone falls into this system, it can be nearly impossible to escape. The routes taken are fraught with hazards, from treacherous terrain to extreme weather conditions. The U.S.-Mexico border alone consists of harsh deserts, high mountains, and dangerous rivers. Many attempting to cross must endure days in the scorching heat with little to no food or water. For those coming by sea, especially from the Caribbean or parts of South America, the situation is just as deadly. Makeshift boats often capsize, leading to mass drownings. The U.S. Coast Guard rescues thousands of people each year, but many are never found. Once in the U.S., illegal immigrants face constant risks of deportation. U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, regularly conducts operations to apprehend undocumented individuals. More so, recent enforcement efforts have led to the deportation of tens of thousands of people. Detention centers have also become a major concern, with reports of overcrowding and inadequate conditions Being caught and detained can result in long legal battles, sometimes ending with families being separated. Without legal status, individuals are vulnerable to labor exploitation, often working in substandard conditions for minimal pay. Without the protection of labor laws, employers hiring undocumented workers often pay below minimum wage, knowing that their employees cannot complain to authorities. This creates a cycle of poverty and financial instability. Many are also taken advantage of by fraudulent landlords or businesses, paying inflated rents or fees because they have no legal means to challenge unfair treatment. On the flip side, entering the U.S. through legal avenues offers several advantages. Legal immigrants are entitled to workplace protections, ensuring fair wages and safe working conditions. They can report employer abuse without fear of deportation and have access to labor unions and legal aid. Eligibility for public services, including education and healthcare, is available to legal residents, facilitating better integration and quality of life. Children of legal immigrants can attend public schools without fear of deportation, and legal status also provides access to healthcare programs such as Medicaid. Legal entry provides a clear route to permanent residency and eventually citizenship, granting full participation in civic life. This includes voting rights and federal benefits. Green card holders have the ability to travel freely and sponsor family members to come join them in the U.S. For those considering immigration, several lawful options exist. U.S. citizens and permanent residents can sponsor certain family members for immigration. Spouses, parents, and children of U.S. citizens have the highest priority, while siblings and extended family may have longer waiting times. Individuals with specific job offers or possessing specialized skills may qualify for work visas such as the H-1B for skilled workers, or the EB-5 for investors willing to create jobs in the United States. Asylum or refugee status is available for individuals fleeing persecution or violence in their home countries. The United States has a legal obligation under international treaties to provide protection to those who meet asylum criteria. This program offers a limited number of visas annually to individuals from countries with low rates of immigration to the U.S. It's an opportunity for people from diverse backgrounds to establish a life in America. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, also known as USCIS, website provides comprehensive information on visa categories and application procedures. Immigration law can be complex, and it's changing every day. Consulting with an accredited immigration attorney or representative can help navigate the process effectively. Many legal aid organizations offer free or low-cost services to help with applications. Unfortunately, fraudulent schemes targeting hopeful immigrants are common. Always verify the credentials of individuals offering assistance and rely on official government communications. Avoid anyone promising a shortcut to a visa or citizenship for a large sum of money. There really isn't a shortcut. You just have to go through the steps. Choosing the legal path to immigration not only safeguards personal well-being, but also facilitates a smoother integration into American society. It is imperative to be informed and to utilize the resources available to ensure a lawful and safe journey to the United States. While immigration will always be a topic of debate in the U.S., understanding the law and making informed choices can make all the difference. Thank you for joining us on Law Impact. I'm Attorney Sean. Stay informed, stay safe, and until next time, take care.